Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So I want everybody to start to tell me something. Where's my pen? 等一下啊，再来一次。Okay, annotation. Okay, so I want everybody start to do that. This is a very easy question. So 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 and 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. How to do it? Okay, Grace, Zoe, and Amelia, please do this question yourself. Very quick. I give you 1 minute. Finish 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 equals what? Finished? Okay, thank you, Amelia. You only do one, okay? I want you to do both of them. 1 over 2. Very good, Amelia. Good job. Amelia finished already. And Grace and Zoe, please send it to me by chat. Okay? Very good. Grace, take a look. Take a look. Very good. Zoe, how we do it? It's reversed. So it's 6 over 5. Is that actually 5 over 6 and 1 over 6, right? So you reversed. Okay, so Grace, take a look. Grace, the fraction calculation, I think you missed. Okay, so we need to make them the same, right? So 2 times 3 and 1 times 3 plus 1 times 2 and 3 times 2. Remember, Grace? So it's 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6 equals 5 over 6. Correct, Grace? Yeah, okay, so this one is 3 over 6 minus 2 over 6 equals 1 over 6. 不能做错啊, okay? So everybody, we know that, right? So, Amelia. So if my question is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 20, how are you going to do that? Okay, so everybody, I know it's just a 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6. So the first thing first, everybody is doing do what? Find the lowest common multiple for these two numbers and do that, right? But if we have a number, and what if I give you even more, 1 over 30 plus 1 over 42 plus a lot of terms, how are we going to calculate something like that? Okay, so Amelia and Zoe and Grace, I think none of you want to calculate, find out the lowest common multiple for 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, 42, and it's going to be what? A lot of calculation, correct? And we don't want to do this. But I want you to take a look at this one. 1 over 2, 1 over 6, 1 over 12. Let's just do 4 terms. So I want you to think about it. 2, 6, 12, and 20 represent what? Okay, so I am going to make 1 over 12 as example. Okay, I want you to see if you can find out some patterns out of this. So 1 over 12 equals what? Equals 1 over 3 times 4. It also equals 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. Okay, I want you to take a look at 1 over 6 equals what? 1 over what times what? And equals what minus what? And the same thing, 1 over 20 equals what times what? And it equals what minus what? Okay, I want everybody think about it and let me know. Don't be hurried, don't be quick, okay? OK， 有人想出来了吗？有人想出来了没有？OK, I want Zoe, do you want to answer my question? Like how to continue this one?
The first one is
What number you want to put in the blank?
2 and 3.
Very good. And if you calculate it, 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 did equals to 1 over 6, right? And this one will be what? 4 times 5. So it's 1 over 4 minus 1 over 5, right? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So we're not going to touch in the first term. We just think about it because we want to add them all together. So how do we do it? The question changed from 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 20 to what? 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 5. Okay, so they're gone. Negative 1 over 3 plus positive 1 over 3, negative 1 over 4 plus positive 1 over 4. Get it, Amelia? So the answer is 1 over 2 minus 1 over 5. So let's take a look at the first term. The first term also equals what? Equals 1 over 1 times 2. It is equals to what? 1 minus half. So if I put them all together, it is what? It is 1 minus half plus half minus. So this part is gone as well. So it is always what? It's 1 minus 1 over 5. So the answer is 4 over 5. So we're done. Okay, so I'm going to redo this whole entire question again, okay? So 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 20. How do we do it? Because 1 over 2 equals what? 1 minus half. And 1 over 6 equals what? Half minus third. And 1 over 12 equals what? Equals 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. And 1 over 20 equals what? 1 over 4 minus 1 over 5. Okay, so now I'm going to cross all of them. Negative half plus half, negative third plus third, negative quarter plus quarter. So the answer is 1 minus 1 over 5 equals 4 over 5. Get it, Grace? Okay, I want all of you, Amelia, I want you to redo this question yourself. Okay, on your own page, redo this question, please. Okay, yourself. Do it again. Okay, so everybody, if you're finished, I'm going to give you another requirement, okay? Another requirement. What is that? Is if I give you the question 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 20 and plus 1 over 30. I want you to tell me what is the answer for that. Okay, for this question, 4 over 5. And you're using the same technology and solving 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6, 1 over 12, 1 over 20, and plus 1 over 30. Okay? Grace, think about it. We split this one, okay? We split 1 over 2 equals 1 minus half, right? And plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. Because 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 equals 1 over 6, right? And plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. And plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 5. Okay, I'm still thinking, okay? So I'm going to help you a little bit. Think about it. 1 over 2 equals what, Amelia? It's the same thing. 1 over 2 equals what?
1 over
1
2
equals
equals
1 minus,
minus 1 over 2.
yes. So Zoe, 1 over 6 equals what? Is it equals 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3?
1 over 3.
Yeah, so 1 over 12 equals what, Grace?
1 over 3 minus 1 over 2. 1 over 4.
1 over what? 1 over 4. Very good. Okay, good job. Okay, Amelia, so 1 over 20 equals what?
1 over 20 equals 1 over 4 minus 1 over 5.
Very good. Zoe, so 1 over 30 equals what?
1 over 5 minus 1 over 6.
Very good. Okay, so now everybody, you're going to see all of the midterm is gone. So what is the answer? 1 minus 1 over 6. So the answer is what? 5 over 6. Okay, so if you understand this one, so last question. 1 over 6 plus 1 over 7, 6 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 20 plus 1 over 30 plus 1 over 42. Okay, everybody, please give me the answer immediately. Take a look at this example. Example 1, example 2. So we are going to do the example 3. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. I have received Zoe's. Okay, Zoe, congratulations, you get the right answer. Very good. Okay, so Amelia, take a look at this one. So I don't want you to skip anything. Just do with me. So 1/2 equals what, Amelia?
1 minus 1/2.
Very good. How about 1/6?
1/2 minus 1/3.
Very good. How about 1/12?
1/3 minus 1/4.
How about 1/20?
1/4 minus 1/5.
5, right? How about 1/30?
1/30 equals 1/5 minus 1/6.
Okay, how about 1/42?
1/6 minus 1/7.
7. Okay, very good. If you list all of them, Amelia, -1/2 and +1/2 is gone. -1/3 and -1/3 is gone. So all of them are gone. So what is left is 1, the first term, and last term, -1/7. So what is answer? 1 minus 1/7 equals what?
6/7.
6/7. Very good, Grace. Understand, everybody? Okay, so now I want, so where's my whiteboard? Oh, here, whiteboard is here. Okay, so now I want everybody, just give me 1 second. The whiteboard takes a little bit of time to. Can you see it, everybody? Can you see a whiteboard? Okay, so now I want you to do this one, okay? So 1/2 plus 1/3, sorry, 1/6, plus 1/12, and plus 1/20, and plus 1/9,900. Okay, so now I want you to plus calculate this one based on the before thing we did. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So does anybody know how to do it? Okay, just to give you another 2 minutes, okay? Grace 看好啊，怎么来找这个事情，对不对？ So how to find out? I'll give you some hint, okay, all of you. So just to take a look at the board. So just do this one. So half plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12. Okay, so Grace and Amelia, why half equals 1 minus half? Very good, Grace. You got the right answer. Good job. Because this one's 1 times 2, and this one's 2 times 3, and this one 3 times 4, right? Okay, so this is exactly equals 1, the first one, and the last one is what? This one, so 1 minus 4. So it's 1 minus 4 quarter equals 3 over 4. Okay, so I give you some hint. Grace, good job. You get it right. Very good. Okay, so now I'm going to explain. Okay, so everybody take a look at this one. So this one equals what? Equals 1 over 1 times 2 plus 1 over 2 times 3 plus 1 over 3 times 4 and plus 1 over 4 times 5. So last term, so there are a lot of terms missing. So Zoe, can you tell me 1 over 9,900? 9,900 equals what?
99 times 100.
Very good. 99 times 100. 1 over that. Okay, so Amelia, take a look at this one. So every time we change it, so it's like what? It's like that. It's 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2, right? Plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3, plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4, plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 5. So the last one is what? Plus 1 over 99 minus 1 over 100. And we know that the mid part is always being crossed out. So it's always 1 minus 1 over 100. So the answer is 99 over 100. Good job, Grace. Okay, very good. Understand, Zoe? Okay, so now let's move forward to the next one. Okay, so the next part. So what if I give you a question like that? Okay, so can you tell me, 1 second. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. 28. So please calculate 3 over 4 plus 3 over 28. Okay, all of you? Do it. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. How do we do this? Okay, so again, we're gonna split the term. So I want to ask Zoe. So compare with the before one, 1/2 plus 1/6. Can you tell me what is the differences between these two questions? Okay, everybody, when we are doing any math questions, okay, or learning anything new, Zoe, Amelia, and Grace, I want you to think about one thing because it is almost impossible for us to learn everything from teacher from beginning to the end, right? Zoe, don't you agree with me? It is impossible, okay? Math is not like piano, okay? So like people teach you how to play and you play one again. No. Math is when teacher tell you one thing, I want you to have the ability to spread this ability to everything else. So how to spread this ability? Grace and Amelia is apply, how to apply it is you find the differences. You find the differences, then you analysis how to use the before concept on the new thing. So for me, if I look at these two, I'm gonna think before it is always 1/, and right now it's 3/. Correct? And before it is 1 times 2, 2 times 3, they're what? They're continuously number, correct, Amelia? But right now it's what? 1 times 4 and 4 times 7. Correct? But the good thing is the differences is still the same. We called it arithmetic number. And the differences exactly equals to the numerator. Okay, so the teacher tell us we want to split the term. So 1/2 equals 1 minus half, and 1/6 equals 1/2 minus 1/3. So I'm gonna apply this one to this question again. Let's see if 1/3/4, is it equals to 1 minus 1/4? Yes. And I'm gonna see if 3/28, is it equals to 1/4 minus 1/7? I want you to calculate this one. So 1/4 minus 1/7, is it equals to 3/28? Yes, because it's equals 7/28 minus 4/28. It is equals to 3/28. So how do we do it? They're gone equals what? 6/7. Very good, Zoe. Understand? Grace, understand? So they're using the same thing, okay? So now I'm going to give you the question. So 3/4 plus 3/28 and plus 3/70 and plus 3/130. So I want you to tell. 我做对了，我有的时候题目抄会抄错。Yes. Okay, so I want you to calculate this one. Amelia 看看清楚，是不是打错了？是不是打错了字？ very close to the right answer. 是不是打错了 Did you write that? 看清楚哦。13 over 13. 13 over 13等于1，这个加起来等于1。呀，是不是打错了 Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Grace, take a look, okay? So 3 over 4, is it 1 minus 1 over 4? Okay, 3 over 21, is it equals 1 over 4 minus 1 over 7? And this one equals 1 over 7 minus 1 over 10. And this one equals 1 over 10 minus 1 over 13. Okay, so the answer, all the thing between is gone. So 1 minus 1 over 13 equals what? Equals 12 over 13. Okay, get it, everybody? So now we're going to do this one, okay? So now let's take a look at this one. I have a question like that. I want everybody to think about it if this question is the same as the one we did before or not. Remember, Zoe, Grace, and Amelia, I have told you, the key of learning math well is not just to memorize everything, but find out the differences, okay, and apply your thinking on that. This question is hard, I know, but I want you to try to do yourself first and do every single step yourself. And of course, if you can't, I'm going to help you. But right now, I want you to do it yourself. Yeah, Zoe, what is your question? It's 97 times 100.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. So this question, I want everybody to be very careful. Okay, so Amelia, let's take a look at this one. 1 over 1 times 4 equals what?
1 over 4.
1 over 4, yes. So if we split this, is it equals 1 minus 1 over 4?
Yeah.
Really? Can you tell me 1 minus 1 over 4 equals what?
1 minus 1 over 4 equals 1
啊，一
over
减四
4.
不会做啦，一减
一
四
减四
1减1/4等于多少 ？1 minus 1 over 4 equals what?
1 minus 1 over 4 equals
这个题目做过什么
1.
equals 3 over 4. Correct? Equals 3 over 4. Say they're not equals to each other. Okay? So now, Zoe, I want to ask you a question. So 1 over 4 times 7 equals what? Equals 1 over 28, right? So before we do that split, 1 over 4 minus 1 over 7, could you tell me 1 over 4 minus 1 over 7 equals what? Equals 3 over
3
20.
over
We did it early. We did it early, the earlier question, right? So it's not equals to 1 over 8. So now I want you to memorize the earlier question. 前面那道题目我们刚做完的 3 over 4 plus 3 over 28 plus 3 over 70 plus 3 over 130. So what is the differences between these two questions? Zoe?
The top one is 3 and the bottom one's
Yeah.
the other one's 1.
Okay, Amelia, I think you're looking at something else, okay? So can you see, this is so obvious. This is 3, this is 1, this is 3, this is 1. Get it, everybody? This is very obvious. Okay, so now, can you tell me what is the differences between 3 over 4 and 1 over 4? 1 over 4 times 3 equals 3 over 4, correct? Okay, so in order to make them equals to each other, because the question is asking you to make 1 over 4 plus 1 over 28. But when we split it, it equals 3 over 4 plus 3 over 28. So how do we do it? Very easy. Divided by 3 and divided by 3. Do you understand? So we can do 1 minus 1 over 4 divided by 3 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 7 divided by 3 plus 1 over 7 minus 1 over 10 divided by 3 and 1 over 10 minus 1 over 13 divided by 3, right? So all the way. So the last one is what? 1 over 97 minus 100. Grace, do what? Divided by 3. Understand, everybody? Okay, so I want you to copy this one on your own page, okay, on your own notebook. So please do it yourself right now. I cannot go to the screen and copy it for you, okay? So you need to copy down yourself. Okay, so when you copy down, I want everybody take a look at the screen again, okay? So Amelia, take a look at this one. So if I have 4 divided by 2 plus 6 divided by 2 plus 8 divided by 2, do you understand? Can we put 4 plus 6 plus 8 together and divided by 2 outside. We learned it before, right? Okay, I'm going to do it again. Okay, so this one is not very clear. Okay, I write it more careful. So if we have 4 divided by 2 plus 6 divided by 2 and plus 8 divided by 2, we can do what? 4 plus 6 plus 8 divided by 2 together. Correct, Grace? Do you understand? Okay, so now this one is the same, right? So because they all have divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3, what should we do? We can just put everything there. So 1 minus quarter plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 7 minus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10 minus 1 over 13 and plus 1 over 97 minus 1 over 100 divided by 3. So that's the same thing, 1 minus 1 over 100. Grace, right? You did it this one. And divided by 3 equals 99 over 100 divided by 3 equals 33 over 100. So that's the end. Okay, so step 1, step 2, step 3. Please copy down these ones yourself. And I'm going to give you more examples. Don't worry about it, okay? Amelia, did you copy everything down? Okay, so when you finished copy it, does everybody finish copying? Okay, so I'm going to give you another example. Okay, so don't worry about it. We have a lot of things to do. Okay, so I'm going to give you the question is 2 over 3 plus 2 over 15 plus 2 over 35 plus 2 over 63. Okay, so please calculate how many. Amelia, what are you doing? Okay, so please calculate these 4 items together. Let me see. I have received. No, Zoe, this question we need. Oh, sorry. Yeah, okay, I got it. Okay, so Zoe, congratulations, you get it right. Very good. Okay, so Grace and Amelia, think about it. Okay, so the next question, Zoe, for you is 1 over 3 plus 1 over 15 plus 1 over 35 plus 1 over 63. Okay, you think about it, how to do this. Okay, Amelia and Grace, I want you to take a look at this one. Amelia, 2 over 3 equals what? Compare with the earlier question, this time it's all 2. Did you see that? Okay, so now it is 1 minus 1 over 3 plus, right? 1减1/3是不是等于2/3? Right? So 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 minus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 7 minus 1 over 9. So again, all of the in between are gone. So the answer is 1 minus 1 over 9 equals 8 over 9. Get it? Amelia, okay? Okay, so because of you and Grace didn't get this one right, I give you another question to practice. Okay, so 4 over 5 plus 4 over 28. No. 4 over 45 plus 4 over 170. Okay, 就这道题. Okay, Grace, Zoe, and Amelia, if you want to do this one together. So 4 over 5 plus 4 over 45 plus 4 over 170. Okay, I have received Grace's answer. Congratulations, Grace. Very good. You get it right, both of them, okay? So 1 minus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 minus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 9 minus 1 over 13. Good job. So the between is gone, so it's 1 minus 1 over 13. So equals 12 over 13. Good job, Grace. Okay, so if you understand how to do those ones, we're moving forward to this one. So Grace, Amelia, and Zoe, I want you to take a look at this one. What is the differences between 2 over 3 over 2 over 15 and 2 over 35 and 2 over 63 and 1 over 3 plus 1 over 5, 15 plus 1 over 35 plus 1 over 63? What is the meaning of the numerator of those fractions? Okay, I want you to think about it. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. So Zoe, you gave me the answer is 8 over 9. So if these four terms plus together equals 8 over 9, these four terms plus together still equals 8 over 9. That means it should be the same number. But are they the same number? So first of all, I want to ask Amelia, what is the differences between 2 over 3 and 1 over 3?
It's between 2 over 3 and 1 over 3.
And what is the differences? How to get 2 over 3 to 1 over 3?
You minus 1.
You can minus 1 over 3, yes. But also you can what? Divided by 2.
Right?
Divided by 2, right? Okay, how to change 2 over 15 to 1 over 15?
You divide by 2.
Very
by
good. How to change 2 over 35 to 1 over 35, Grace?
Divide by 2.
Right, Grace? So 2 over 63 to 1 over 63. Also divided by 2. Okay? So 好，小朋友们看好啊，老师问你们啊，如果我有一个题目 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals what? Equals 10, right? But if I have 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, every single term is times 2, times 2, times 2, times 2. 那最后的答案是什么? Do we have to calculate? No, the answer is also times 2. So the answer is 20. Get it? So if one of the term is divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2, so what is the thing? So the final answer will be before equals 8 over 9, right? So the answer will be what? 8 over 9 divided by 2 as well. So the answer is 4 over 9. Get it? Get it? Okay, so now I'm going to move forward. Okay, so we just do this. So 4 over 5 plus 4 over 45 plus 4 over 117. Okay, so all of you know how to do this one. Grace, you give me the answer. Very good. So now I want you to tell me 1 over 5 plus 1 over 45 plus 1 over 70, 117 equals, okay? Okay, so think about it. What is the differences? So Amelia, that's the same thing. Okay, so if you have 4 plus 6 plus 8 equals what? Equals 18, right? And if it is divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2, so it's 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals what? Do we have to calculate? No, you're just using 18 divided by 2 equals 9, right? So that's the same thing. If each term has to do something, and all you need to do just this answer to do what? Okay, Grace, divide. So 4 over 5 had to become 1 over 5. Divided by what? Grace, divided by what?
4.
Very good. So all of them divided by 4. So before the answer you tell me equals what? This one, 1 minus 1 over 5, plus 1 over 5 minus 1 over 9, plus 1 over 9 minus 1 over 13. So this one is 1 over 13 equals what? Equals 12 over 13. So this one equals what? Divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4. So equals what? 12 over 13, what? Grace? Divided by 4 equals 3 over 13. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Okay, so first one, 1 over 5 equals what? Equals 1 minus 1 over 5 divided by 4. 1 over 45 equals what? Equals 1 over 5 minus 1 over 9 divided by 4. Correct? Okay, so 1 over 7, 117 equals what? Equals 1 over 9 minus 1 over 13 divided by 4. So the answer is, I put them together, 1 minus 1 over 5. Amelia, 你走来走去干什么？你动来动去干什么？ Understand, everybody? So we put everything in the blanket, put together. So this one, they're gone. So equals 1 minus 1 over 13 divided by 4. So equals what? 12 over 13 divided by 4 equals 3 over 13. Congratulations, Zoe, you did it really good. And Grace, you just a little bit hard, 对不对？大部分都做对了，对吗？ Okay, so now I want you to think about it this one, okay? So 1 over 5 plus 1 over 45 plus 1 over 117 and plus what? A lot of terms. I'm going to tell you the last one. Okay. Very hard one. 10605. Okay, there are a lot of them in between. So this is the last one. So let's see if you can do this one or not. Or if I can be easy, I just give you 4 first. Then we do 1. We do 4 first. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this question is hard because let's see, 4 over 1 times 5, right? So time over 4 over what? 5 times 9, right? So this one is 4 over 9 times 13. So Zoe, Grace, and Amelia, did you notice that? The differences of every single number is the same. It's always 4. So 10605 equals what? Okay, so I want you to take a look at this one. So Amelia and Grace, you've been learning with me for a long time. I think you all know the tricks. If no, a number is times 101, or a number times 11, you're gonna know that, right? So you take a look at this one. So 165. So 6 in the middle, and 1 plus 5 equals 6. So that means what? This number equals what? 101 times 105. Correct? So equals what? Equals 1 minus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 minus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 9 minus 1 over 13. Why the last one is so important? Because I don't care about the middle one. It's minus 101, sorry, plus 101 and minus 105. So the answer is what? Is 1 minus 101 over 105. So equals what? Equals 104 over 105. Okay, so if I change this question into 1, 1, 1, 1, very easy, just a 104 over 105, what? Divided by 4, correct? So the answer is 26 over 105. So that's the final answer. Get it? Okay, so I'm going to just, no. How to do that? Stop sharing, and I'm just going to show you the thing, okay? So now, let's take a look at this one. Okay, let's take a look at this one. I give you some time, think about it, and I will help you. Okay, so I'm going to start to do that, okay? So Amelia, let me ask you, is it possible I, as your teacher, ask you to put the same denominator for those questions? Okay, we have learned for such a long time, Zoe and Grace. I think both of you, all of you, are not going to do that, correct? So this is the thing. If you think, okay, after this question, after this class, I'm still doing everything like, okay, do the same denominator. This is, I did a bad job, right? If you take a look at something like that, you started thinking, I want to use a simple way to calculate those questions. That means I did a great job. You did a great job. Okay, so let's ask Zoe. 1 over 8. Let's study 8. 8 can we equals to what? What times what?
2 times 4.
Very good. I'm glad you didn't say 8, 1 times 8. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So it's 1 over 2 times 8. So, sorry, 2 times 4. So 24 equals what, Amelia?
3
4
times 8.
3 times 8. Okay, 3 times 8. Or we can do what? Remember,
4 times.
it's always, before it's always what? Think about it. Before it's 1 over 1 times 5 plus 1 over 5 times 9 plus 1 over 9 times 13. You see, the last one is always the first one. The last one is always first one. The last one is always first one. Or else we cannot eliminate part of them. So compare with 3 times 8. Which one is better?
4 times 6.
Very good. Okay, next one, Grace. 48 equals what? 1 over.
6 times 8.
Very good. Next one, 80, Zoe.
8 times 10.
Okay, next one, Amelia, 120 equals what?
10 times 12.
Very good. And the next one, Grace. 12 times what?
14.
Very good. And last but not least is Zoe again. So 220.
14 times 16.
Very good. Okay, so don't forget there's a bracket and 64 times. Okay, so 64 times. So what we do next, we split them, right? So remember we have 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4. But don't do that yet, okay? Everybody think about it. We have what? 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4 equals what? Equals 1 over 4, not 1 over 8. So that means we need to what? Divide it by 2. Remember? So I don't know if you already get it when to divide, because you see 1 to 4, 1 to 5, the difference is 4. 5 to 9, the difference is 4. 9 to 13, the difference is 4. So we every time need to, when you split the term, when the numerator is 1, you need to divide it by the terms. Okay? So if the question here is 2, 2, 2, 2, do we have to divide it by 2? No. Okay, so that means every single split term you need to what? Divide it by 2. And that's the last one. 1 over 14 minus 1 over 16. And divide it by 2. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. Because teacher already told us if you have every single one with a common term, so we divide it by 2. And what? We can do 64 times all the things divided by 2. So 1/2 minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 minus 1 over 8 and all the way to plus 1 over 14 minus 1 over 16. So what is the question? 64 times 15 over 16 divided by 2. So equals what? 15 over 16 times 32, because 64 divided by 2 equals 32. So you can calculate it. The answer is 30. Okay, so I want you to think about this question. This is the last question for today's lecture. So if you have any questions, you can ask me right now, or else you can take notes for this question because this one is the hardest one. And I want you to just make sure you understand every single one. Why sometimes you need to divide it by 2, divide it by 3, divide by 4. This number are determined by what? Determined by the differences of these split terms, right? Because 2 and 4, the differences is 2, so that's why we divide by 2, right? And also because the numerator is 1, if the numerator is 2, do we have to divide it? No. Okay, understand everybody? Okay, so if you don't have any questions, so this is our today's first class. Okay, so summer vacation. I don't know if everybody did good or not. Okay, so it is always very hard for the first question and first class, I mean, because we'll get back to the learning process, right, Amelia and Grace? Okay, so that's it for today's class. The good thing is everything is recorded. If you have any questions, you can go to your Google Classroom and just to get the video and you can just take a look. Get it, everybody? Okay, so that's it for today's class. We're going to see each other next week. Okay, bye-bye.